Hey friends, let's go ahead and make a closed peony today. This is probably one of my favorite flowers. I mean, I probably say that a lot, but I really love flowers, so there you go. So this is actually the closed peony and bud. So first, let's go ahead and work on our bud. This is just a styrofoam ball, and we're gonna go ahead and cut a circle to just cover that ball base. So I mean, who wants to see styrofoam? You definitely kind of wanna just see the felt because it's a felt flower and we're hiding that it has styrofoam in the middle. So shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, so we're just gonna add some glue here and just roll that bad boy on. So that is just gonna be our center. Don't worry about making it perfect. You're barely even gonna see it. It's just when you do see it, you definitely wanna have it there. So we're gonna go ahead and add on our petals. I cut 12 of these small peony petals out. And I'm just gonna do the first layer is gonna have 3 petals. I'm just rocking those bad boys on, and I'm just doing it in thirds. I'm adding quite a bit of glue just to make sure they really stay really well. And I'm kind of leaving a little bit of a hole right at the top because it just kind of makes it look more fluffy and fun. So the first petal I only glued half, that way on the very last one I can kind of just fold it over and finish that one off. So the next set is another 3. I'm not going all the way to the top with glue this time, and I'm going to cut the first layer of 3 right in half. So this is another set in thirds. Go ahead and get those on really secure. And do about halfway through the glue. Okay, so we're gonna do it in thirds again. So for our next layer, we're gonna go ahead and kind of just go around, and we're gonna just layer these around. We're gonna go halfway. We're gonna cut each petal in half and just kind of go all the way around for our last remaining 6 petals. Oh, she's so fun, but we're gonna deal with her later because now it's onto the main flower. So I have a 6-inch strip here, and I'm just gonna cut a lot of snips in this one. So you really don't see these middles, so I don't really worry about making them perfect. Normally I like using pinking shears, but for this one you barely even see it. So, I mean, why bother? Anyways, but I still do it because, I mean, details, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and roll that around a 20mm felt ball. All right, now let's grab 24 of our peony petals. These are all curled petals. Hey, check out my curled petal video to find out how to do this one. Super fun and easy. All right, so the first layer, we're gonna go ahead and do 6 different petals all the way around. We're just gonna glue those bad boys on, and we're gonna make sure that the tops are nice and sealed so that they don't just kind of open when, you know, they're not supposed to, because it's a closed peony. It's not an open peony. So the first layer, we're gonna do 3 petals. The second layer, we're gonna do another 3 petals. We're gonna do them right in between the first layer. I'm also lowering them a little bit because you don't want them perfectly lined up either. You don't want them all level because then you're not gonna really see. So then once we do that, the rest is super easy down the line. We're just gonna go around in a circle, kind of like a snail, and just work our way around the flower. I'm just adding glue to the bottom and a little bit up the sides and just working my way around the flower. And I'm slowly lowering the petals a little bit too, just so they're not super level as well. So just keep going and going and going all the way around like a merry-go-round, woohoo, or a snail or whatever, I don't know. Last petal, stick that bad boy on, and isn't she a beauty? This is probably one of my most popular flowers that I make all the time because obviously you can see why. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take our 18 gauge wire. We're gonna make a little bit of a table for her to sit on. I like to make a very large table for her because, I mean, she's a large beauty, so gotta make sure she's got something nice to sit on. String it through our leaf, and we're gonna glue her on there. Lots of pressure, and make sure she sticks on there really, really well. All right, next up, let's deal with that pretty little bud that we put aside. Or, oh, she's running away. Okay, here we go. Same process, we're just gonna use a shorter wire here. Make a little bit of a table. We don't need it as large because, I mean, she is a little bit of a little bud and she's not gigantic, so no big deal. Everything's running away from me today. Ah! All right, so we're gonna go ahead and stick that wire through the leaf petal, apply some glue, and do the exact same thing. Oh, isn't she beautiful? They're all coming together so pretty. I can't wait to finish this one off. Ugh, string spiderwebs are the worst. Tell me about it, right? Everybody hates the spiderwebs, but happens when you go too fast. But that's okay. All right, get that bad boy on really, really nice and secure, and let's add some leaves. So this is just a really, really large leaf that I'm just using a pinch technique and putting that bad boy on. I have another video about different leaf techniques, so catch that one if you want a few different ideas. So now I'm taking another 4-inch wire and doing the same with 2 leaves. That way this flower is going to end up with 3 leaves, a bud, and a main flower. Yay, dancing leaves. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble this one. So we're going to start with our bud here, and we're just going to tightly twist the wire all the way around and get that leaf exactly where we want it. And then don't worry about it exactly yet, because we're going to add this next leaf and then we will adjust and adjust until it is in a perfect position. So we're just going to tightly wrap around our other leaf, and now we get to adjust it and put those leaves exactly where they want. Okay, isn't she gorgeous? Such a beautiful flower. I hope you can see why everybody loves this flower the most, and it's probably by far my most popular one. So be sure to like and subscribe and follow along for all super fun felt flower tips and tricks. Love you, friends. Catch you next time.